Hello everybody, my name is Savya from RFL Ahmedabad. Today I have made this prototype model of sorting products in the basis of industrial automation. The kit I have used is Lego Mindstrom EV3 kit. The components I have used are EV3 brick, large motor, medium motor, cables, ultrasonic sensor, color sensor, etc. Let me tell you how it works. So, when I will keep the products of different color on the belt, then the sorted belt will move and the sorter will sort the products in different baskets. If it is red basket, it will go red will go here, and if it's green product, it will go here. Let me show you a demo. This is how it works.